Imagine waking up with money in your account effortlessly. Sounds magical, right? But here's the reality. Passive income isn't magic, but it's very real. Today, I'll bust the biggest myths about passive income and reveal how it genuinely works. Hey friends! Here we explore digital products, online business, and income freedom. If you want to build wealth, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's dive right in. The most common myth? That passive income means zero work forever. That's simply not true. Every real passive income stream requires either time or money upfront. No money? You need to invest time and effort. Think creating a digital product or setting up an online course. Prefer not to wait? Invest money in dividend stocks, real estate, or other assets. Yes, passive income can feel effortless later, but only after the initial work is done. Another myth is that passive income is a scam. I understand this viewpoint. Many gurus oversell it with exaggerated claims like earning huge sums instantly. The scam isn't in passive income itself. It lies in misleading promises of instant success. Picture this. If you've ever posted a YouTube video that continued to attract views months later, or earned interest in savings, you've encountered passive income, even if it's on a small scale. What sets it apart is simply scale and consistency. Passive income is real, but it requires strategy and patience. Now let's explore some legitimate passive income methods. First, digital products. You create something once, like a planner or course, and generate sales repeatedly. Next is affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn a commission each time someone buys through your link. How about YouTube? Your videos can generate ad revenue long after you post. Then there's investing. Stocks that pay dividends, real estate, or REITs can yield ongoing income. Lastly, printables or print on demand. You design once and let the platform handle delivery automatically. Notice a pattern? Each method involves significant upfront work: product creation, building content, learning systems, or investing money. Let's discuss the myth about getting rich overnight with passive income. In reality, there's a freedom timeline. Phase 1. Heavy work and setup. You build, create, or invest. Money flows slowly. Phase 2. Systems and automation. Processes run without you, like automated delivery and scheduled posts. Phase 3. Maintenance. You periodically check in while income continues without constant effort. So passive income is real, but it's more like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but with consistency, momentum builds. Now for some hard truth. Many never succeed with passive income, not because it doesn't work, but because they quit too early. They expect fast results. When money doesn't come quickly, they give up. Successful individuals understand passive income is a long-term commitment. They invest 3 to 6 months of effort for years of returns. Wondering how to start? Here are actionable steps for beginners. Choose one model. Don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with digital products, affiliate marketing, or investing based on your skills. Dedicate the next 30 to 60 days to build your first product system or investment. Focus on evergreen content. Create products or content that remain relevant long-term. Automate wherever possible. Use tools for marketing, sales, and scheduling. And most importantly, be patient. Give yourself 6 to 12 months to see if your strategies work. Let's recap. Passive income isn't a scam or magic. It requires trading time or money upfront to form an income stream that keeps working. Now I'd love to hear from you. What passive income myth have you heard? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more on online income streams. See you next time.